Spacious, extensively developed, contemporary but modern. This is my favourite listing. I'm so excited to show you. Come with me.
Go, we're not going home. This feeling I can't live without. So shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. This is our party, and this is where the beat goes down. Feel the music on the stereo. Oh, oh. As we let the rhythm take control.
Absolutely love this room. Double aspect, really nice vibe in here. Beautiful fireplace there, look at that. It's fantastic the way that my vendors decorated this property. It's almost something out of a design book. Beautiful taste.
Living for the weekend. Shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. I don't wanna stop right now. All I need is a drum with the heavy beat. Hit me.
I love this formal room. You can just imagine on a bright summer's day, all these doors open. South facing, of course, all the natural light coming in is fantastic.
Without. So shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. This is our party, and this is where the beat goes down.
This is the main entertainment area of the home. This kitchen is specifically designed by my vendor. They have gone and utilised the classic triangle design with the hob, butler sink and the double oven. This kitchen is a chef's dream. Open to the kitchen is this informal living area. Again, the double doors leading to the beautiful garden.
Let's make this night unforgettable. Oh, oh. Making memories we won't recall. One more song is never enough.
Now, despite having 5 bedrooms, you are presented with this lusciously large land.
Put the night on replay, cause we never wanna lose this rush. Oh no, shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody.
The master suite, as you'd expect, complete with ensuite shower room, walk-in wardrobe, and let's not forget the double aspect bathing the room in light.
It's time to let go, we're not going home. This feeling I can't live without. So shame on me, I'm a fool for the melody. This is our party, and this is where the beat goes down.
Now, the garden is absolutely spectacular. South facing, nice and private with these big high bushes.
This is where the beat goes.
Hi, I'm Lewis from Castles, and this is Shevington.